Welcome. Today I'm going to talk about poor user experience in SaaS MVPs. So let's get started. I have a problem section and solutions section, and let's start with problems. First, performance paradox. So many founders believe users want feature-rich products, but research shows that early adopters actually prioritize performance and ease of use. New users mainly focus on the MVP performance. But when companies prioritize visual design or feature quantity over performance, the product fails to deliver what users actually want. Your fancy dashboards means nothing if users can't figure out how to use it. Our second problem, the onboarding cliff. First impressions matter more than you think. Consider REPitchbook, where early users simply couldn't understand how to use the app, which directly led to the product's failure. Make it simple. Without clear onboarding, your brilliant solution becomes just another frustrating service, and users will quickly abandon. Our third problem, minimum viable versus minimum lovable. The problem with many MVPs is they are viable but not lovable. Your product needs to solve a problem while also being a joy to use. Remember, you are not just competing against direct competitors. You are competing against every digital experience your users have ever had. Fourth problem, a shocking 70% of software projects fail due to poor user adoption, not technical problems. And what users are actually paying for monthly isn't just your software, but continuous updates and responsible support. So here is the real world examples to mention. Let's look at some examples. Dropbox initial MVP was just a 3 minutes explainer video showing the experience. Slack focused on making team communication enjoyable, not just functional. Calendly succeeded by making scheduling truly effortless. Now let's continue with solutions section. First solution, user-centric development. Start by creating detailed user personas and journey maps before writing a single line of code. Understand exactly who your users are and the emotional journey they take while using your product. Second solution, the 5-second test. Can new users understand what your product does and how to use it within 5 seconds of logging in? If not, simplify your interface and clarify your value proposition. 3. Rapid feedback loop. Ignoring user feedback is a critical mistake. Your product must evolve based on what users actually say they need, not what you assume they want. Implement feedback channels from day one and act quickly on what you learn. 4. Strategic feature limitation. Fight against scope creep that extends development time and prevents timely feedback collection. Each new feature multiplies complexity for users. Ask yourself, does this feature directly solve our core user problem? And fifth one, progressive disclosure. Do not overwhelm users with all functionality at once. Introduce advanced features progressively as users master the basics. This creates a sense of discovery while keeping the learning curve manageable. In conclusion, the most successful SaaS companies understand that user experience isn't an layer you add after building the product. It is the foundation everything else stands on. Start with UX, validate with real users early and often, and remain laser focused on solving one problem exceptionally well. Your users and your business metrics will thank you. By the way, at Ecofinova, we specialize in building MVPs that users actually love to use. Our dedicated team focuses on what matters most, creating intuitive, high-performing SaaS products that solve real problems elegantly. We have helped dozens of startups transform their ideas into successful products by prioritizing what users actually want. You can share your stories in the comments, and if you are building a SaaS product right now, I would like to hear how you are prioritizing user experience in your development process. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it.